Guys, welcome back again to another YouTube video. And yes, today's episode is a very special one. Recently I made a video about Nairobi CBD, and through the comments a lot of people were asking about UPPERHILL. I know I did not manage to shoot the video of UPPERHILL when I was making that video, so I took this chance to make this video of this place. UPPERHILL has been one of the fastest growing towns near the CBD, and it is acting as a major economic hub of this city. A lot of businesses and offices also are running in this place, so it's quite a very good place when it comes to business offices, private offices, and entertainment joints. It's generally a very good place. And in this video you'll also see the changes in the skyline. A while ago in UPPERHILL, this place used to be a place for main houses, and as the city is growing, there's more room for expansion, just like the way it's happening on Westlands. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just making this video as a single piece. I'm not even cutting out, not even editing. I'm just posting the raw video of UPPERHILL, the drone footage of this place, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video because I missed this segment when I was shooting my video for Nairobi City. And if you are new here, my name is pelninoisaac. I do drone footage, real estate, travel, and all kind of content creation. More so, I make videos. I'm an editor. If you have work that you want to be edited, you can also get in touch. If you have a project that you want it to be done, you can also get in touch. If you're doing documentaries, you can also get in touch. But this video is purposely meant for UPPERHILL area view, and I hope you enjoy it. Before you leave, ensure you give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys. I love you, all of you. The support that you have been showing me is quite I can't even know how to express it, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and cheers.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. We got history. Got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened or what could've been. Finally your face, I know, ain't that a sight to see? Take my time and take your clothes off one more time, it be. Acting like you don't recall, it ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came for me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history. Putting my feelings all aside, do not know how to make it right. Pictures popping in my mind. All these occasions, let's work it out with me. Don't think it hurts to give another try on it. Nobody here know you like I do. Ask all of your friends if they know about your size of shoes. How you like to cry when you laugh, when you off the booze. I moved on, but I still remember a thing or two. I know you said give me a hug, and I said give me a break. I wasn't trying my best. All the mistakes that I made, I'm learning that it ain't the right move. Learn from my mistakes, ain't that what the adults do? We got history. Got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened or what could've been. Finally your face, I know, ain't that a sight to see? Take my time and take your clothes off one more time, it be. Acting like you don't recall, it ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came for me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history. Bet you got nobody round to make your day better. Sun brighter, don't got too much time, so girl, let's love now and talk later. Put your pride aside and let me in. You know I got better sense. You so good at self-control. Maybe now it's time for change. I've been all alone for so long. Got the one, didn't realize good ones exist in the world till I lost one. Eye for an eye makes the whole world go blind. Things I would give to feel your lips for the last time. Go and hang with your friends, I'll put this bullshit to end. I rained on your parade and I just wish you the best. Time for me to bounce soon. I just wish I had someone to say I'm home to. We got history. Got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened or what could've been. Finally your face, I know, ain't that a sight to see? Take my time and take your clothes off one more time, it be. Acting like you don't recall, it ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came for me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history.